Best deals. 1. Kadhai. 3-coat durable PFOA-free non-stick, lasts longer. Pressure die cast, allows metal thickness exactly where needed. Extra thick 6.5 mm base. Ideal shape for shallow frying, healthy, low oil cooking. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cold press juicer. Has flexible 2-speed modes to extract whole fruit and vegetable. Soft mode runs from 50 to 60 rpm for soft fruits like grape, kiwi, lemon, orange, beets. Hard mode runs from 100 to 110 rpm for hard fruits like apple, celery, carrot, ginger. With slow extraction technology, it can preserve maximum nutrients of the fruit and vegetables and extract higher juice yield. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cream Whipper. 500 ml capacity canister is designed for optimal convenience. Shake well after filling the cream for the best results, ensuring fluffy, creamy toppings every time. The secure, leak-resistant design guarantees a tight fit between the head and canister, minimizing the risk of spills or gas leakage. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Pizza Cutters. While designed to cut straight through even a deep pan large pizza with ease, and cut it straight, fast and won't catch on crusts. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Silicone cover. Made from high-quality and heat-resistant rubber material, providing a protective layer between your hands and the hot pan handles. They effectively prevent burns. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Spoon holder. Features divided sections for organizing forks, spoons, knives, chopsticks, and other utensils with ease. Stylish black and white finish adds a clean, modern touch to your kitchen decor. Built-in drainage slots help keep utensils dry and clean, reducing moisture buildup. Made from sturdy, ABS plastic that's lightweight, long-lasting, and simple to maintain. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Shelf. Can hold more than 15 plates and bowls and can fit in any limited space settings. It's easy to assemble and clean. Racks can add a lot of space to your kitchen and help with organization, which is key to smooth running of the kitchen. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Travel bottles. Includes 460 ml silicone bottles that can be seamlessly connected into a single unit using the provided lovely holders. This modular design not only enhances portability but also adds a touch of fun and creativity, making your travel essentials easily manageable and stylish. Each travel bottle dispenser in the set features a secure, leak-proof flip-up lid. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Wine bottle opener. Made from stainless steel with a rosewood handle, 3-in-1 tool that has a corkscrew, bottle opener, and foil cutter all rolled up into this nice knife-style accessory. This corkscrew wine bottle opener design is perfect for anyone looking to open bottles of wine quickly and efficiently. It is compact and easy to store in a drawer, picnic basket, or your pocket. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Kitchen trash can. Made of PP plastic with high strength, which ensures the trash can has a longer service life and is more durable. The surface is smooth, corrosion resistant, and easy to clean. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cake stand. Make it easier to decorate birthday cakes, display your pastries, and serve all your favorite treats. This beautifully designed, all-natural bamboo cake stand really makes the difference. Impress your guests with this piece of art. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Grill sandwich toaster. Specially designed gas sandwich maker, perfect for even heat distribution on gas stoves, delivering crispy and golden brown sandwiches every time. Made from high-quality aluminum, the sandwich toaster gas-compatible is lightweight, strong, and built to last for daily use. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Scissors. The blades have designed grooves to prevent slip when cutting food, making it easier to cut food. Blade edge thicker, excellent corrosion resistance, heat resistance. The high-quality stainless steel won't get rusty and handle with rivet reinforcement handle. The handle is made of aluminum alloy, and the cutting material is stainless steel. The blade is sharp and durable, the smooth edge makes the handle more comfortable and easy to use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Plates. Crafted from sustainable materials like bamboo, recycled plastic, or wheat straw, offering a guilt-free alternative to disposable options. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Teapot. Made from high-quality, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, ensuring that it can withstand high temperatures without cracking or breaking. The infuser is made from food-grade stainless steel. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, so you can easily pour your tea without burning your hand. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Brush. These products are impeccably designed for easy to use and easy to maintain. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Lunch bag. Made of high-density, anti-fouling Oxford material. The inner lining is made of eco-friendly aluminum foil and filled with 8 mm epay foam to keep your food warm or cold for hours. High-quality zips ensure very long life and smoother operations than other bags. It serves as an ideal gift to your family, friends and loved ones for showing that you care for their health. Age no bar, gender no bar, it serves as a perfect companion for anyone and everyone. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Copper bottle. Drinking water from a copper bottle can help prevent many diseases and help maintain cardiovascular health. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Ceramic fondue burner. Made from ceramic, which is durable and holds heat well. Ceramic also provides a classic, elegant look. It has a space to hold a tea light or small candle underneath. The heat from the candle melts the essential oils or wax in the top dish. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Electric brewer. The perfect no-spill sweet spot. We've engineered this chai maker to brew 400 megaliters, 2 cups, at the optimal level to prevent spills and ensure perfect results every time. The smart auto shut-off kicks in right when your chai reaches peak flavor, preventing overboiling and messy cleanups. Set it, forget it, and return to perfectly brewed chai. No accidents, no stress. Premium 600 megaliters borosilicate glass carafe, safe, durable and travel-ready. The heat-resistant borosilicate glass carafe features a protective lid, cool touch handle, and precision spout for easy pouring. While the carafe holds 600 megaliters for versatility across all modes, the 400 megaliters chai setting ensures mess-free brewing. Lightweight and portable, take it to hotels, offices, or overseas. Authentic Indian chai anywhere in the world. Switch between chai mode for your morning tea, boil mode for hot milk or water, coffee mode for your afternoon pick-me-up, and cold froth for iced lattes. The 600 megaliters carafe handles all your family's hot beverage needs while taking up minimal counter space, perfect for busy moms who value efficiency and organization. Reclaim 15 minutes every morning, that's 90 plus hours per year for what matters. Traditional stovetop chai demands 15 to 20 minutes of active attention, stirring, watching, preventing spills. This chai maker needs just 30 seconds of your time. Add ingredients, press button, walk away. Those saved minutes mean actually finishing your chai while it's hot, one more bedtime story, or simply breathing before the chaos begins. Small daily time savings that add up to something life-changing. Product link is given in the 20th link.